Hi everyone, Comrade Salman here. Today, I'm fixing a dead 2200W Joyoung induction cooker. The fuse is blown and the IGBT is shorted. In this video, I'll show you why simply replacing the IGBT isn't enough. My diagnostic workflow. First, I verified the 5F filter and 0.3 micro F resonance. Capacitors both are healthy. Next, I replaced the shorted IGBT with a heavy-duty original part, swapped the bridge rectifier, and installed a new 18-volt Zener Diode at the gate for maximum stability. The real lesson here. These slim models fail because of poor heat dissipation. I found the fan intake blocked with dust, which cooked the IGBT to prevent future failure. I've cleaned the cooling system and will show you the proper shutdown procedure to let the fan cool the heatsink completely. Let's get into the repair.